Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel USA Immigration and Visa. Hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to discuss about the mistakes that we made at US visa interview and how can we avoid that mistakes to get a successful interview and get a US visa. See, visa interview is the most important part of the whole visa process. A successful interview can have greater positive impact in visa decision. Let's discuss some of the common mistakes people make during the interview. First one is not prepared well for the interview. Being prepared for interview can better equip you for the US visa interview. A proper research and preparation for commonly asked questions and their appropriate answer will be very helpful during the interview. It will keep you ahead of many visa applicants who are not at all prepared. Second point here is not providing complete and truthful information to the visa officer. It is very important that you provide complete and truthful information to visa officer. Any incomplete or false information can lead to unnecessary delays. False information can have severe impact on your future ability to apply for US visa and on the current visa decision as well. It may also cause you a lot of frustration and legal actions against you by the US Embassy or Consulate. Third point is providing incomplete documentation. You must carry all the required documentation with complete and authentic information. Read all the prerequisite and prepare all the documents accordingly as per your situation for the US visa interview. Keeping your documentation well organized can also leave a positive impression on the visa officer and it will help you to get a successful visa interview and the visa decision in your favor. Fourth point is not carrying appropriate fee. US consulates and embassies have strict method of payment as per the visa fee that is required for a visa applicant to pay. Make sure you know the method and the exact amount of the applicable visa fee that you are liable to pay for the US visa interview. For example, most US consulates don't accept cash as the payment method and would prefer separate bank drafts or online payment for visa application and visa issuance fee. Fifth point is providing unnecessary extra information. Do not give any information voluntarily which is not being asked by the visa officer. In many cases, people trying to be overconfident and oversmart gives out more detailed information than it is required or asked by the visa officer. This may trigger additional related questions which may not work in your favor and may go against you for the visa decision. For example, I will quote a question and I will tell you the wrong answer as well as I will tell you the preferred answer that you should say. Question may be, why do you want to go to the United States of America? Wrong answer, I want to visit and see how USA is, and if I like it, I want to stay back with my son. This is a very wrong answer because you are going to visit, you have applied for the B1, B2 visa, that is a tourism visa or the business visa, and you are not applying for a permanent stay in USA. So, but you are saying to the visa officer that you may stay. That is a question on your intention. Preferred answer can be I am going for tourism purpose or to spend some quality time with my son or daughter or to attend a college university graduation of my son or daughter or to attend a family function of my brother, sister or some of the relative. This can be a preferred answer which is not providing unnecessary extra information as well. Sixth point that is there to avoid is inconsistent information. Inconsistency in the information about what you provided in the documentation and what you say during the interview can go against your case and can have a negative impact on the visa decision. Seventh is arguing with the consulate officer. Never ever make any argument with the consulate officer. If you want some information, ask in a polite manner. If you argue with the consulate officer, they may take a decision and may ban you for a long term for not applying the US visa further. This is not what you are going for in the visa interview. Next is having poor communication skill. Poor communication is the number one reason that affects your case in a negative way. If you are not good in English, you should request for a regional language interpreter. Ninth is having too much communication. Remember, you are one being interviewed and not the other way around. So keep your communication very brief and to the point. What is just answer what is asked by the visa officer, not give any unnecessary information and not talk too much because it is not required. Speak only when asked for an answer. Last point that I am going to discuss in this video is appearing to be nervous. Being confident can bring positive results, especially in case of visa interview, where a consulate officer has to rely on limited information that is provided by you. Their judgment is highly influenced by the way you react to the question, your body language, and the authenticity of your answers. They don't have any other source of information, so if you appear confident, that will go a long way in a positive decision making for your US visa interview. That's all for this video that I have today. I hope this information will be helpful for your US visa interview. Thank you for watching this video.